He's a record talker. He's a champion of brevity. Let me criticize you right away. Not only you, everyone in the class. I think we all have a temptation to give a credit to a manual or to a book, and the details can be found there. It's not bad, but the best practice to tell only things that you read, you practiced, you tried yourself. So share only your experience. Try to maximize your experience and then share it. Because if you refer to sources that you didn't read from the beginning to the end, it may lower the impression. Okay, so let's try to follow these lines in the future. And now, floor is open to questions. 4 questions to Paul.
The output files, are
Yep.
those, like I know like we use the XYZ and it's compatible with a couple different things from I think what we've been using.
Yeah.
Are all those, you can use those on different programs? Like, I don't know,
I have no idea.
like GNU plot, I don't know if those would be applicable for anything in there. Or if they would even read it and understand it.
See, that's a question I would have as well.
So formulate the question. At least reformulate the question.
Is usually like,
Huh?
oh, what Kelly was asking in brief is like, are these compatible with other programs, like viewing programs?
I think that you need to extract some information from some of these, and you might need to run more operations.
That would be nice.
I do have a question though, because one of the important things for my thing, and I thought it was generated in this step, but I don't see it, is outcar,
Car?
O-U-T, car.
Oh yeah, that should be there. Looks like the next one. Let's make that 17 out of 5.
Yeah, I have no idea if it's supposed to be generated here or not. I just assume it is. Okay.
It is. It is the most important output file. Just by
I missed it.
Do they all have different information, or is there like a lot of overlap? Or what?
My first impression is that your standard out, your Aussie car, and your out car will contain a lot of the information, like the eigenvalue cars and what have you.
So those are just like more specific.
Yeah, these are just more specific.
Call them fermions?
Fermions. Fermions are particles with half integer spin.
With what?
Half integer. So like our electrons, neutrons, protons. Fermions.
Yeah.
So you've mentioned subsequent calculations.
Yes.
What do you mean?
Okay, so quick example. So it gives us DOS car, right? It gives us a nice little DOS, not the operating system, our density of states. But sometimes we want a really good higher resolution density of states. And it's not enough just to run a self-consistent field calculation. What we want to do is run a little short self-consistent field calculation. And then we want to, oh, I forgot what we do next. But we run, oh yeah, we use the charge card to, in a non-self-consistent field calculation, because it converges really quickly, and we wanted to spend more time getting better values to make a new DOS card with much higher resolution.
That's it?
Well, that's the only example I know.
Any other subsequent continuing calculations? So calculations run in a chain.
Calculations run in a chain?
Yes.
Okay.
You've told the first couple of files deal with subsequent calculations. And even the name of one of the output file, contcar, prompt us that something is being continued.
Continuous, yeah. Okay.
So what is being continued?
What has been continued? I don't know.
the reference that you reported, meaning that you've read it from the beginning to the end, definitely should have some word about what is concar and what is continued.
It mostly doubles what to put in the in-car file to do different jobs.
Well, it is not wrong, it is very general. So let me answer to everyone my own question. So what, originally I was so happy that he mentioned subsequent jobs. I thought he knows lots of details. Cappuccino? So, for example, your resources are not your resources of your computer cluster is limited. You need to complete first try job first attempt quick calculation, and you do not have time to complete the high resolution optimization with many steps. But you know that the shape of the molecule is changing when you optimize geometry. Where this geometry is saved. Postcar is your initial geometry, where your final geometry is. Well, I leave it up in the air, and after the next statement, you get the answer. So, in case you partially optimized, then you stop job, then you wake up another day and decide, let's continue from where I stopped and continue optimizing it again. Continue. So start from geometry where we stopped. Yes. Can you verbalize it? Oh, let me ask the question and you verbalize the answer.
Okay.
Do you believe that there are any similarities between format of the postcar file and format of the concar file?
Why wouldn't there be? Yes,
So-
it should be.
So please try to look inside the concar file. And the answer it is, it does contain the geometry created after optimization. More questions? I do have one. Orbitals and wave functions. In which file are they stored?
Wavecar?
Yes, just yes. Very good. Okay, let's thank Paul once again.